Hey guys, a quick update video on the Yaesu FT-620B 6 meter 50 megahertz transceiver, AM upper and lower sideband CW. I spent about 8 hours, 6 to 8 hours working on her last night. Finished up around 2:30 this morning, and I managed to get some power out of the 620. Before, almost I get out of her, it's like 150 milliwatts. Somehow I managed to get into Germany on that, which still amazes me. But at the moment, after tweaking, and I've also replaced the final once again over here. Right now I'm using a 2SC2312 for the final, and the driver is a 2SC1306, so I know it's not matched. The 2312, it cross-references with the 1307, but anyways, so I retweaked retweaking the inductors and trimmers over here. I managed to get maximum power out of her, and I went through the but the trimmers here and here to get as much power out of this radio as I possibly can. The radio only does 10 watts sideband. That's normal. So this is what she does now. Victor Ocean 1, Mike Delta Sierra, testing. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 4 3 2 1. Victor Ocean 1, Mike Delta Sierra, test. Test 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Test 1 2 1 2 1 2. Test 1 2 1 2. Victor Ocean 1, Mike Delta Sierra, testing. 1 2 3, 3 2 1. There we have it. Another little modification I done with the radio is I took out the big old bulbs that were in here, and I decided to replace them with LEDs. One there and one here. I decided to go with red. Red looks cool. So that's the meter all lit up. Turn off the light overhead light so you can see what she looks like. Kinda. Behind the dial here, lights up red, and the meter lights up red. Very cool, I think, anyway. Anyways, thanks for watching, and let's see what else we can get ourselves into today. All the best.